Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Reggae Sunfest parties set the stage for the big climax. To get the party started ahead of the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sunfest hosted an array of events this week, much to the delight of their local and global audience. The festive nature and overwhelming patron support of the weekly Reggae Sunfest parties is a strong indication that the main events of Festival Night 1 and 2 will be epic. The party got started with Monimage at Tropical Bliss Beach, where sun, sand and sea was on the menu, with party lovers out from the crack of dawn vibing to music from the reggae and soca genres, with special performances from artists Skinny Fabulous and Stylo G.
I'm feeling relieved. Reggae Sunfest, we're on. So, showtime now. We got a lot of stuff. Every night's different. Everything's plugged in. And everything's got a lot of love. And the girls are out here.
Scatcha Burrell teased that there might be surprises on Dancehall Night.
I saw you online saying that you really want TJ to perform because he's a good artist.
I really do, because I mean, a long time I know TJ and I'm one of the most humblest and nicest youths. So, you don't know, that's a great group for those that come so far and so can keep happening. So, the door is still open.
Up next was the street dance, which featured selectors Team Shella and C-Note, Sky Juice and Footer Hype on the wheels of steel, with the latter stirring up controversy by taking shots at Reggae Sunfest boss Joe Bogdanovich.
But here I know, Joe buy a gully back girl, and gully back down back in the gully. Joe buy where my girl and me get richer. Joe get up book me in the Sunfest. Gully back mad again, me can't back there too much girl.
Up next was the White Hot event, Reggae Sunfest All White.
Reggae Sunfest has continued to reinvent itself and create a brand new experience almost every year.
This year's staging of Blitz All Black doubled as the birthday celebration of soca artist Bunji Garlin.
Sunfest week is a big week. So for Bunji Garlin birthday party to be in Sunfest week. Mad thing.
This is marvelous. I mean, the vibe, the energy, the music, the atmosphere, the food, the culture, everything.
The last party on the Reggae Sunfest roster of events was the Global Sound Clash held at Pier 1 last night, where Germany's Warrior Sound International defeated 9-time champions, Jamaica's Pink Panther Sound, walking away with the coveted title.
Dog plates playing in the ghetto tonight.
Festival Night 1 kicks off tonight at Catherine Hall, Montego Bay, with artists representing the dancehall genre. And tomorrow, the greatest reggae show on earth climaxes with Festival Night 2, dubbed Reggae Night, will feature. Festival Night 1 kicks off tonight at Catherine Hall in Montego Bay, with artists representing for the dancehall genre. And tomorrow, it's all about the greatest reggae show on earth climaxing with Festival Night 2, dubbed Reggae Night, which will feature musical giants including Beres Hammond and Buju Banton. Can I get a wow for that? Wow. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.